How to trade in Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can trade in Robinhood. So in order to trade in Robinhood, all you need to do is first thing first, you'll have to log in. So for that, open up your Robinhood account, enter in your passcode, and it's going to direct you to the home page. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and select the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. So in order to trade in Robinhood, first of all, you need to make sure that your account is verified. So verifying your account means providing all sort of detailed information of your ID and all that. So if you have not verified your account, you'll not be able to trade in Robinhood. Along with that, you also need to have a fund, or that you must have already added a payment method, or that you must have already linked your bank account. Now then, to begin with the trading process, you'll need to either select stock, EFTs, options, cryptos, or all that. So first of all, you need to select the category. First of all, select the category, and accordingly, you need to tap the search bar located right on top, and here you need to go ahead and select the one that you wish to transfer or that you wish to trade with. So if you find the one, just go ahead and select that. Next page is going to take you to this interface where you need to go ahead and select send Bitcoin since you're trading. So click the send button. Now once you tap the send button, it's going to direct you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and verify your identity. So go through all of it, and once you've done with that procedure, now you can just buy, or you can just buy if you don't currently own the stocks. After that, by default, you will be asked to enter the exact amount you'd like to purchase in dollar. After that, you need to go ahead and confirm your orders. Make sure that you've entered all of the information, and now you need to review your orders and confirm that all the details are correct, or you need to select the edit button in order to make some changes. After that, if it looks good, swipe up to submit your order. As soon as you do that, then you'll be notified with the statement stating that you've successfully traded in Robinhood, and within a couple of days later, you'll be notified that you've successfully bought. So in this way, you can trade in Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.